In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find graduation gift on Walmart 2026. We'll walk through the exact path on Walmart's website to reach their dedicated graduation gift ideas so you can quickly land on thoughtful, customizable options without getting lost. Start by opening your browser and going to walmart.com. Once you're on the home page, move your cursor to the top left corner. That's where the main site menu lives. It may appear as a word like departments or as a menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click there to open the full list of departments. From the department list, choose Party Supplies. This section groups everything related to celebrations, so it's the right doorway for events like graduations. Clicking Party Supplies will load a page filled with categories you can browse. Next, select Personalized Cards and Gifts. This is where Walmart highlights items you can customize. Think photo gifts, engraved keepsakes, and personal touches that turn a simple present into something memorable. It's a smart place to shop when you want a gift that feels specific to the graduate. At the top of this page, look for the main navigation bar and click Gifts. This helps narrow the focus from general party items to products designed to be given, making your search more efficient. Now find the Shop By section on the page. Within that section, click Graduation Gifts. This is the key move that takes you straight to Walmart's curated graduation hub, where the options are organized for the occasion rather than scattered across categories. You should now see a collection of graduation gifts designed to help you celebrate the moment. Expect a mix of customizable photo items, keepsakes, decor for parties, and practical gifts the graduate can use in their next chapter. The layout is made to inspire, so take a moment to scan the featured items and categories. From here, simply browse until you find a gift you like. Open any product page to review details such as sizes, colors, and personalization fields. If it's a photo gift, check the image requirements and use the preview tools to make sure names and dates are correct. Look at estimated delivery or pickup timelines. Personalized items can take a little longer, so plan ahead if you're targeting a ceremony date. Reading reviews and checking ratings can help you confirm quality, and filters for price, style, or category can speed things up if you have a budget or a specific idea in mind. That's the complete path. Follow these clicks, explore the options, and you'll quickly land on a great graduation gift that feels personal and on time.